This could be the car for you. The 2020 Toyota Camry. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. At the end of the day, it should be about what your car can do for you, not the other way around. This elegant and efficient Toyota Camry puts you and your passengers at the center. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, backup camera, alarm, power driver's seat. Feel what it's like to drive an overachiever. Our friendly professional team will put you in the driver's seat of this sporty Camry today.